Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Paint 2K25 and loading the target map so you can act immediately. First, enable the Debug Overlay and Heat Map mode so you see live feedback. This lets you judge effect and density. Then pick a brush and set intensity between 0, 5, and 1. 0 with a radius that matches the zone scale. Once done, paint a few trial strokes to confirm visual hot spots appear. This validates your baseline before expanding coverage. Now you expand zones using layered passes to create believable hot spots. Start with broad low-intensity fills to establish area influence, then follow with concentrated high-intensity strokes for focal points. This creates depth and gradation. Make sure to connect hotspots with painted corridors at 0, 6 to 0. 9 intensity so movement flows naturally between them. Also, use the symmetry or mirror tools to keep distribution balanced. This prevents one-sided domination and preserves player choice. Finish by smoothing transitions with blur or feather tools and trimming overspill with an eraser set to 0. 3 so zones look natural. Then you playtest multiple runs, observing player clustering and adjusting intensity by plus or minus 0. 1 until behavior aligns with design goals. If you see too wide chaos, reduce brush radius and intensity. If hotspots are too weak, stack additional passes or nudge intensity higher. One key troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.